cheese and onion crisps, made in the Omnia Stovetop oven. Welcome to Cooking on the Square Meter. A simple recipe today. Only 4 ingredients: onion, cheese, garlic, and thyme. That's all you need. Grate the cheese nice and fine. Slice the onion very thin. This helps it crisp. Chop the garlic. Prepare your baking paper. Spread a layer of grated cheese onto the baking paper. Place the onion rings on top. Now add the garlic. Spread it evenly. Sprinkle thyme over everything. Finish with another light layer of cheese. Here I'm using the perforated baking tray. Slide it onto the rack carefully. This is the Omnia setup. The lower base, the pan, and the tray or rack inside. I'm using reusable baking paper. Cooking preheat the empty Omnia to about 200 to 220 degrees. Carefully place the tray into the pan. I use 2 forks, much easier. Close the lid. You'll see the temperature drop slightly. That's normal. Tilt the lid just a little. Leave a small opening. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Quick peek, but not too often. Heat escapes fast. Once the temperature is stable again, close the lid fully. And ready. Golden, crispy. Yes, you can hear that crunch. Cut into bite-sized pieces. And there you have it. Cheese and onion crisps from the Omnia. See you in the next Cooking on the Square Meter video.